Assalamualaikum children. I hope everyone is fine. So children, in the previous video we have already learned the concept of this and that. THIS this, THAT that. So here children, there is an activity related to this and that, that is write this or that. First we have to see the pictures, what is there in the picture, and we have to select this or that, which word will come. By seeing the pictures we have to write this or that, which one will be the correct, we have to write that. Okay children, here you can see it's a key, bird, tub, box, behave, frog. Okay children, so you can see the arrows also here. So what we have to do children, this arrow means that the bird is far from him. Wherever you can find the arrow, that means it is far. So see this children, what is this? What she is pointing? This is a key. What is this? This is a key. So here you can see the sentences are written. Already is a key is written. So we have to write whether this will come or that will come. So what is this? This is a key. So we have to write THIS this in this blank and complete this sentence. THIS this. This is a key. Here you can see the boy. The boy is pointing a bird. But the bird is far. The things which is far from us, what we will use, this or that? We have to use that. So what is that? That is a bird. So we have to write THAT that in this blank and complete the sentence. That is a bird. So children, the things which is near to us, we have to use this. The things which is far from us, we have to use that. Here you can see the girl and you can see the tub. The tub is very near to the girl. So what we have to use? We have to use this or that? Yes, we have to use this. This is a tub. So we have to write THIS this. This is a tub. So here you can see the box. But the box is far from this boy. This arrow means it is far. So what we have to use? We have to use this or that. We have to use that. So the spelling of that is THAT that. That is a box. Okay children? See this children? You can see the beehive here. So the beehive is very near to this girl. The thing which is near, what we have to use? We have to use this. This is a beehive. So we have to write THIS this here in this blank and complete this sentence. This is a beehive. Okay children, here you can see the boy and the frog here, but the frog is far. If the thing is far, what we have to use? We have to use that. That is a frog. So THAT that. That is a frog. Okay children, let's see. Let us read the sentences. This is a key. That is a bird. This is a tub. That is a box. This is a beehive. That is a frog. Okay children, I hope you have understand. Thank you.